The following message is transmitted by the request of the Hawkins Police Department. An immediate evacuation order is required for the county of Hawkins, due to many calls of black smoke coming from the cracks that were caused by the earthquake 2 nights ago. All residents of Hawkins are required to evacuate at this time. Bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio. There's also been reports of white particles in the air, coming from the black smoke. If you cannot evacuate, military personnel will pick you up from your location to be transported. Location